It's unbelievably rewarding to see people are so excited about our top-level service. This great 5-star review really motivates our team to keep working even harder. We're really happy to share this great feedback with everyone.
I love this place. They repaired the screen to my iPhone 5S in like 30 minutes or less. I highly recommend this place if you're looking for repairs.
We'll work just as hard to make you happy too, the best way we know how, by providing you with incredible service. Come and see us today. We hope you enjoyed our small section on the internet today. We look forward to talking to you.